they smell like cherry and chocolate. I like cherries and chocolate.
Shall we open them now?
Yes. Let's get the cherry one first. I like the cherry one. And the chocolate one will be the last one because we have to. And I think it has this sticky one, so we don't have to throw this bag yet. We have this sticky thingy, so we don't have to. Let's just get this out. Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! We have a lot of sand in here. It's nice red touch.
And it already smells like cherry.
Yeah, let's smell. Yeah, it smells like cherry already. And we have these molds. I have to, Daddy, you have to.
I have to also.
I have a ginger man. And we have this reindeer.
And I have 2 Santa Clauses.
2 Santa
Wait and see how we will use them. Shall we open chocolate also?
Yes, so you can see if it smells like chocolate.
Here you go.
Thank you. My job.
Does it smell like chocolate? Yes, it does.
Oh my gosh, it smells like chocolate. Daddy, smell it.
I know. All the bag smells like chocolate.
What about the cherry bag?
It smells like cherry.
Wait. It smells like cherry. Okay.
Okay, let's use them.
Let's open this red one first.
We will. Okay. Red one for me and chocolate one for you.
Yes. 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 Mine are all chocolatey color and Daddy is all red color. So Daddy gets red and I get chocolate. I just put mine out. Oh my gosh, it looks like chocolate exactly. Oh my goodness, this is so squishy.
If it looks like chocolate, smells like chocolate, it has to be chocolate.
It's sand, Dad. It's sand.
Is it for eating?
No.
No.
It's so soft. It's soft.
It is
It's
so
just
great.
new. It's just new, and it's so soft. You can just squish it once, and it turns into a ball.
Okay, let's see what we can make out of it.
I'll just squish mine into a flat piece of chocolate. Ooh, I can't. I just can't resist the smell again.
And I will make Santa Claus.
I'll make gingerbread man. Oh, I can make both. There, gingerbread man.
It's so nice.
And here we go, reindeer. And let's. Oh my gosh, they're stuck to it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the little gingerbread.
What? I got him. Yay.
Yay, we have a
break him, don't break him.
gingerbread man.
And
I want this one. We have this reindeer. Come on out. Oh no! Oh no! He destroyed it.
you
I
have
think
to
I'll
make a
need to
do-over.
I need to make a do-over. Like and subscribe if you like these sands which smell like chocolate and
Cherry.
I love this kind of sand. I mean, I'm touching mine and I feel like they put a lot of water in this thing.
Do you need some help?
No, just looking for my mold. Smash picture on. Ooh, it sticks again. Okie dokie. Phew.
Oh wow, it's great.
Yes, yours all
It's
red. You have a face and a whole body. So I like my chocolate one.
And I like my cherry one.
They're so fun, squishy. We made such awesome shapes.
And we could play with it all day.
Yeah.
So it is all for today.
Bye.
Bye.